Welcome to Art2, a channel for those who want to sell their art online. As an Etsy shop owner, it can be difficult to make your business stand out and attract customers. With so many shops competing for the same buyers, it can be hard to generate sales. If you're feeling stuck and unable to get the momentum going, today's video is here to help you. Here, we'll provide several tips and tricks on how you can grow your Etsy shop t-shirt print-on-demand business. If you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Etsy is a well-known online marketplace for unique and handmade goods. For those looking to start their own business, Etsy allows sellers to create their own store and list items to be sold. One type of product that has become popular on Etsy are custom t-shirts. Selling these can be a great way to make money from home or even just as a side gig. If you're an Etsy seller, you know how important it is to maximize your profits. With all the competition on the platform, it can be difficult to stand out from the crowd and increase sales. Fortunately, there are a couple of things that you can do to increase your overall profits when selling on Etsy. But the process of designing and printing t-shirts can often be daunting and costly. That's why many Etsy sellers have turned to print-on-demand providers for help. These companies are able to provide the design services, printing, fulfillment, and shipping of custom t-shirt orders quickly and efficiently. By working with a print-on-demand provider, Etsy sellers can save time, money, and energy when creating their t-shirt designs while still providing high-quality products that customers will love. I personally use Printify's print-on-demand platform connected to my Etsy shop. There is a link in the description box below and it's free to join. So here are a few things I use to increase my Etsy sales. You need to make sure that you're pricing your items correctly. You want to make sure that you price them competitively enough so that buyers will be interested in what you have to offer, but not too low as this will cut into your profits. Additionally, keeping track of trends and seeing what other sellers are doing can also help ensure that your prices remain competitive and attract customers. Pay attention to how you market yourself and promote your shop. Online selling is becoming increasingly popular and many entrepreneurs are turning to marketplaces like Etsy to get their products up and running. However, it takes more than just setting up an online store for success. Being driven by data-driven decisions is essential in order for a business to be successful on Etsy. Those who have achieved massive sales understand the importance of paying attention to analytics in order to drive their businesses forward. To fully realize the potential of selling on platforms like Etsy, aspiring entrepreneurs should learn from those who have already successfully done so. Businesses that have been able to achieve massive sales on Etsy understand the key factors needed for success, such as SEO optimization, content marketing, customer service, and website design best practices. If you're an Etsy seller, reviews can make or break your shop. Knowing what your customers are saying about your products is essential for success on the platform. That's why it's important to take a look at how people are rating and reviewing your products on Etsy. By going down in the reviews area of each product page, you can get an honest assessment of how customers feel about what you're selling. One key indicator of customer satisfaction is how many people are leaving multiple reviews for the same product. Customers who leave multiple reviews are likely much more satisfied with their purchase than those who only leave one review. They've taken the time to come back and let others know that they enjoyed their experience enough to write another review, which means they probably had a great overall experience with your shop and its products. With millions of items available for sale on Etsy, it can be overwhelming to figure out how to get your products noticed. If you want to stand out from the competition, it's important to first learn what keywords Etsy sellers are using in their title and description so you can optimize your own listings. Going down a little bit further on these best-selling items is critical to success on Etsy. You want to find out why customers are buying that particular item and how you can make yours better or different. Look at product photos, compare prices, read reviews. All of this information will help you create an appealing listing that will draw more attention. Additionally, analyze successful competitors' titles and descriptions for insights into which keywords are resonating with shoppers. Targeting a micro niche can be an effective marketing strategy for Etsy sellers. By focusing on a small, specific market segment, you can create products that are more likely to appeal to your customers and stand out from the competition in the major market. Doing so will help you reach potential customers who may not have been interested in what you had to offer before. Additionally, by offering something that is not available elsewhere, you'll be able to charge higher prices and make more money per sale than if you were competing with other sellers in the major market. While it's easy to look up the best-selling items in any major niche, what many Etsy sellers don't realize is that there are also plenty of opportunities to serve micro niches within those broader categories. Micro niches are groups within the larger niche that have more specific needs, wants, and desires. By focusing on a single micro niche, Etsy sellers can get an edge over competition by providing products specifically designed for this smaller group of customers. You actually want to be strategic about what kinds of products you make. For example, you want to make t-shirts that do well with groups. When people shop on Etsy, they don't just buy things for themselves. They also buy things as gifts for other people. Some people buy multiple t-shirts for special occasions, like when they're getting married or going on a family vacation where they want everyone to have the same style of shirt. A single order can result in the sale of many items. Having the idea of developing a product that sells well in groups is a terrific strategy to boost your sales of on-demand t-shirts. When it comes to making money with your t-shirt products, there's one key factor that can make or break your success: staying ahead of seasonal trends. Whether you are selling through a third-party platform like Etsy or running your own e-commerce store, jumping on seasonal trends early can have a huge effect on the amount of money you make. The key to success with any type of seasonal product is timing. If you wait too long, the market could already be saturated and it will be harder for your product to stand out. On the other hand, if you launch too early, customers may not yet be aware of the trend and won't buy as much as they would later in the season. In conclusion, selling t-shirts on Etsy is a great way to make additional income and potentially even turn into a full-time job. With the right strategy and dedication, anyone can be successful in this venture. From setting an attractive price point to utilizing promotional campaigns, these strategies are sure to help increase your sales and drive more customers to your shop. Moreover, understanding the basics of graphic design or enlisting help from professionals can help you create unique designs that will draw people into your store. If you haven't already subscribed, do it now so that you don't miss the next video, and likes are always appreciated. Thanks for watching.